government is urging farmers in Tana River County to bring their produce to the multi-million Galole integrated food processing factory. The factory was set up by the Coast Development Authority in 2014 but has not been fully utilized.
The Coast Development Authority set up the Galole integrated fruit processing factory that adds value to, among other fruits, mangoes, in a move that was geared towards creating employment, higher income, and general revenue for Tana River County. The factory was set up in 2014. Local farmers are yet to embrace the factory to full capacity. The government is urging the locals to sell their mangoes to the factory for processing.
Mimi nina hakika maembe yote ya Tana River yangekuwa niletwa hapa. Mtambo hata mitambo 10 kama ikijengwa itoshi. Kwa hivyo nyinyi mkitaka mutambulike na serikali, maembe yenu yaleteni hapa, maana hichi ni kiwanda ambacho kinatambulika na serikali. Ili na nyinyi kesho mkija kudai ile haki yenu, ile share yenu.
The factory has been sourcing fruits from neighboring counties of Lamu, Kilifi, Kwale and Garissa. He further urged farmers to sell to the processing plant instead of to brokers who have infiltrated the market, offering instant cash and exploiting them.
We really have to sensitize the farmers so that we can make this factory work. This factory is supposed to serve the mango farmers in the 4 counties of Kenya: Garissa, Tana River, Lamu, and Kilifi. Therefore, we expect the farmers to bring their produce here so that we can caution them against any post-harvest loss.
Masai wamezoeshwa na wale wachuzi wa nje ya kwamba akija ananunua na cash, anachukua cash, achukue embe. So hii imeleta tatizo kwetu sisi na CDA, lakini kuna some areas wameanza kidogo kurekebisha, mipango kidogo inaenda vizuri.
The 100 million shillings facility has been expanded to start processing pineapples, passion fruits and bottled water to tap its capacity.